ain't no shine. We be staying up all night, trying to work it.
Hey guys, good morning. So I am currently on my way to drop off my car for service. Just wanted to hop on here and say good morning. It's like 8:30 a.m. right now, but yeah, I'm happy to be vlogging again. I want to start making videos. We'll continue to make videos, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. For the most part, I think we'll be okay, but I'm going to be trying not to be stressing about anything for now. As far as uploading, just upload whenever I can. What decided to make me vlog again was that I was actually going through my YouTube last night. I was actually going through my videos, just reminiscing on when I was able to upload. But I decided, hey, why not start uploading again? So I did, and here I am. What was I saying? Oh yeah. So right now I'm staying home with the kids, trying to get Matthew kind of back on track on a schedule where we can do homework. And yeah, it's been rough. I know he misses school, and it's just rough having to figure out what's the best time to do it all. And it's crazy. My sleeping schedule is all off. I literally got like 2 hours of sleep, if that, last night. I have no clue what's going on with me, to be honest, but we're trying. We are trying. But yeah, I actually started keto again. It's gonna be almost 3 weeks already, and I feel great. I haven't weighed myself this week, but last week I had lost on actually Friday I had lost 10 pounds, which is a hooray. I just haven't worked out, which usually helps me with my weight loss because of my thyroidism, my hypothyroidism. So I'm going to try to start working out now, just so that we can not speed up the process, but kind of help with that. Oh, my makeup page is growing little by little. I actually improved some stuff on there, so if you want to check it out and follow it, it's K Unfiltered on Instagram. And yeah, just make sure you check it out. I'm improving some stuff on there, some quality content now, which I think is great because it'll help me get more exposure. But yeah, overall I think that's it for now. Just will see you guys after I drop off my car. I don't know yet if I'll be coming back home or I'll be waiting. I don't think they'll have the waiting area open with everything going on, but we'll see. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I'm whispering because these kids are still sleeping. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up a little bit here in my bedroom, clean up, organize while they sleep. I'm gonna turn on the TV just to watch something in the background, but yeah, let me go ahead and do that actually. Alright, so I kind of semi sort of organized a little bit more than what it was. And yeah, now I'm just gonna, oh my god, look at my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and file my nails and put a little bit of some treatment because my nails are bad. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit once these little munchkins wake up. Did a quick 10 minute HIIT workout, and I'm dying. What happens when you haven't worked out in a while? But we got this. Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, my baby. What are you doing?
Mom, why the
What is that? It's a hair tie.
Hi. Mom,
Are you dancing?
you're dancing?
So right now we're just watching some YouTube, catching up on some videos that I didn't watch since now I have the time to, and yeah, we're gonna get started on some schoolwork in just a bit. First, I'm gonna go figure out what I'm gonna give these kids for breakfast. Say God. Say hello. Say hello. You're so silly. We have Mr. Jacob playing. Hello. Wow. So right now I'm cooking some spaghetti because Matthew's on day 2 of wanting spaghetti. So that's almost done. I did end up defrosting, so I'm gonna cook this and then I'll see what I'm gonna cook it with right now. Jacob. Jacob.
Coming back to get you.
Okay, so I did gather some items for a giveaway, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here just so I have time to edit it. There's nothing really much that I'm gonna do for the rest of the day except just Netflix and chill, literally. It's probably like 6-7 p.m. already. 6 p.m. actually. And I'm probably gonna do a look right now if I can after I finish editing this vlog, just to kind of get this up for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload. And yeah, make sure you stay tuned for the giveaway and make sure you're following my makeup page for that giveaway. So see you soon. See you soon. Scooby-Doo Papa. Scooby-Doo Papa.
The ABC.
Alexa? Let's go put Alexa. Say Scooby-Doo Papa.
The ABC.
Say bye-bye. See you soon. Look. Say bye-bye. See you soon.
Papa Susan.
It ain't working, we not gonna do it. But you got it,